Dollar Tree is closing stores and raising prices. I have all of the intel you need to know how you can still save in Dollar Tree. Let's hit it. They have every single thing in stock. Like, they literally brought it all back. I am freaking out off camera and I'm like, turn the camera on, look.
A couple of weeks ago, Dollar Tree announced that they're going to increase their max price in stores to $7. But no worries, predominantly most of the store is still going to be $1.25. More on that in a minute because I have some sneaky suspicions of what's going to happen. But first, I want to share with you some amazing deals right now.
Oh my gosh, this is such a great deal. They have chafing fuel. These are incredible for all of your outdoor parties. They also have all of these aluminum bakeware. Now, this is such an awesome score, and I want to point you out to two you may not have seen before.
A great hack is to add ice to the bottom of these to keep your food cool as you serve.
And the first is this bunting pan. These are a great deal, even at $1.25. They also have these really cool muffin pans, and I have an amazing DIY coming up. Just sit tight.
All of these aluminum pans, the parchment paper, aluminum foil, all such a great deal and still just $1.25.
At $1.25, one brand you want to keep your eyes peeled for is Sure Fresh. They have a whole new and expanded product line. I love these air fryer parchment paper liners. You get 15 for $1.25. They have a larger size and a smaller size. This makes cleanup so easy and it's eco-friendly.
This is a brand new product and I actually reuse these. So first I'll cook my salmon at 350 for 8 minutes in the air fryer. It comes out great every single time. And then I use that same paper to cook asparagus, also at 350 for 8 minutes. It's awesome. Easy cleanup.
They have these Sure Fresh cover-ups. This is perfect for all of your spring dishes. If you want to put something in the refrigerator, you don't have lids for things. I love these.
This is another $1.25 staple. These also fit much larger bowls, great for parties. If I feature it, it's important to me that it's actually helping you save.
You may have seen on the news that Dollar Tree are closing a lot of stores, but mostly the stores that they're closing are Family Dollar. They're only closing 30 Dollar Trees around the country. And you may also have seen, I love that I'm trying to walk backwards as I explain this to you, that they are also raising prices in some areas up to $7. Now, here's what you have to know. Dollar Tree's management, like their chief operating officer and lots of new people, have come on their board of directors. Many of them started in 2022. So if you've seen changes at Dollar Tree, you're not wrong. And this is pure Kathryn's experience in Dollar Tree that I want to share with you. I think these changes are going to be staying. Here's what's interesting.
The chief executive officer started in 2022 and he came from Dollar General. In a release statement, Dollar Tree is releasing 300 new items, $1.50 to $7, while most items stay at $1.25. Great news.
Especially with inflation and shipping costs. So overall, I think this is a really unique change for Dollar Tree, and the prices are going to be really good if you know what to look for, which is why you want to stick with me because I'm going to show you. When it comes to organizing containers, they still have tons of options at that $1.25 price point, but there is a brand new $5 option I have to show you. Come here. These containers are also fantastic. They come with lids. Compared to Amazon, this is a really great deal. Awesome in closets for organizing your shoes. And what I especially like is they have giant laundry baskets. These beat the Walmart price. This is awesome. And my prediction with Dollar Tree is that a lot of the prices are going to stay right at $1.25. And all that they're doing, kind of like with the Dollar Tree Plus section, is they're expanding to bring you more offerings that go up to $7. But I want to hear from you. What do you think in the comments below?
I've never been personally affiliated with or sponsored by Dollar Tree. I am just so encouraged to see these brand new containers. I think they're going to have some brand new closet, kitchen organization, even for your fridge. What do you think?
And if you want to know the way to find all of the best stores, you can click the link down below. I will walk you through every place to go, how you can find the best stores in your area to find all of these awesome things. Okay, so I really like these planters and containers. And what I want to do here is, like, there's so many different options. I think I'm going to take these two. I like the white colors a lot. I'm going to stack one inside the other like this. Like, you could seriously have a super, like, what is that store? Lion Gate? Is it Lion Gate?
Is it Lion Gate or is it Black Lion?
Black Lion, yes. You could be like Black Lion, right? So I'm gonna make this like nice and big. We're gonna get florals. We're gonna make a thing happen here. I like this. I just want to show you this because this is better than Michael's. All right, just look.
Their $1.25 florals are fire this spring. I have another DIY coming too. Like, there's 2 DIYs in this video that are so easy. Like, you could do this with your hands tied. You could do this with one hand, okay? You can just buy a couple of these big planters. I am really excited about the garden stuff as well as they increase some of their prices to see how this expands. But basically, you just set one planter inside the other, and I put another smaller planter that I already had at home in the bottom just to give it some support. And then I stuck some foliage in. A lot of this I already had, but you can still do this really affordably. You can see all of the foam that I have in the top, and you really could put anything in this. You could set this outside. You could plant real flowers in here if you wanted to, but what I decided to do is take some items I already had at home to make beautiful decor for my porch. What do you think?
The crafter square is incredible right now, and this is just a Kathryn opinion, but I think part of the reason is because of all of the new management. They have chief of marketing that's changed, and all of these brand new people coming in that are starting to bring us stuff that we actually want. Like if you notice this in your store, that's what I think is going on, because they have these earring findings that are in gold and in silver at Michael's. Each of these would be like $4 to $5 each, and here it's $1.25. You've got to know the stuff to look for. They also brought this whole new product here, a glue gun pad. I'm really excited about this. And guys, this is in my brand colors. Like I absolutely have to get this. And I put together an entire catalog for you. I am so excited. I'm launching my ebook, 125 of the best items you can find at any Dollar Tree. I did a ton of research on this. I'm gonna link it down below, including what to find in the Crafter Square. And don't worry, as always, everything is super stinking easy. Hi. All right, I love the wood section, and sometimes you've got to get down low underneath. They have these really pretty vases. What I love about these is they're ceramic. You could paint these. Look at that.
I love these little vases, especially with the Dollar Tree flowers. Let me know if you like simple DIYs like this. I've got you.
Also, the sand and rocks at Dollar Tree are amazing. Do you want to see what I was going to do with those flames that you use from the kitchen section? Check it out.
This DIY is tried, tested, and true at our house. You can grab 3 of these flame warmers and set it right inside. And then grab some rocks from the Dollar Tree. You can grab the natural stones. I really like these black ones. 2 bags does it about right. Now this doesn't look like much of anything, so just hang tight. You're gonna take that pie pan. You can set it on top of a platter or on top of an urn, and I like to put this outside, and then all you have to do is light it. What do you think? DIY fire pit for just about $5.
I literally have the best housewarming gift idea, and you can do this with all things you have at home and Dollar Tree products. Now, maybe you want to get a candle in your favorite scent from the Dollar Tree. You can also get pillar candles, or just use a little bit of like leftover wax you have at home. We're gonna grab the muffin tins, but I love this section. Check it out.
This is so cool. Also grab some muffin liners for $1.25, and I want you to go to your dryer, my friend, and take out that lint, put them in the muffin tin. Just hold tight. Then I want you to grab some cinnamon sticks, some pine cones. You can find all of these at the dollar store. I gathered some dried oranges and some little flowers from outside, and I want you to lay all of these items on top of the lint. We are making DIY fire starters. Take a bit of Dollar Tree paraffin wax, or you could take some candles that you already have at home that there's just a little bit of wax left, and you're going to pour that over the top just to help bond this together. These work incredibly well. Light the cinnamon sticks and then the side of the wax paper. Tie these with twine if you want. They're so beautiful to boot. I've used a bunch of them and they're awesome. I didn't put this in the fire pit. I just set it on the aluminum so you could see how contained and how well these burn. They're absolutely fantastic, and they have a burn time of about 10 minutes or so. So if you have logs that are hard to start, these are great. And what's more, they look so pretty too. I often get asked why I'm so obsessed with the Dollar Tree, and the truth is I'm actually not. I just find a lot of joy shopping here. What I'm actually obsessed with is helping you save money, helping you live a beautiful life on a budget, realizing that you have enough, are more than enough, and making things achievable for anyone.
And I absolutely love this Dollar Tree and the management here. And if you're looking to find the best Dollar Tree near you, it comes completely free when you purchase my ebook. I have an entire video that walks you through exactly how to find the best Dollar Tree, all of my tips and tricks and secrets revealed. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. It's such an honor to get to share this with all of you. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Do you do that thing where you like try to wear stuff and you're like, I don't know if I can pull it off? Is it too much on me?
No.
Is that too much? I don't know if that's too much. It's not too much. Not too much. Okay.